Okay, the looking at language dictionary word, compound words. The compound words are two or more words used as a single word. They show as a separate entries in a dictionary. In case of, we can look at the dictionary here. This is a piece of paper from the dictionary, starting by the first word, which is over, and this is the transcription in pronunciation. Also, we have adjective, adverb, preposition. The meaning is in a higher position, over. Okay, we have now the overall, which means when everything is considered. Overcut, we have a long warm cut, or overcome, we have, which means to succeed in. To succeed in dealing with a problem, overcomes, overcoming, and overcame. Also, we have overdue, is something overdue, it should have been done before now. This is, we can call them a compound words, which means a separate words can join together as a one single word. But this question is very important. It tells us that find these compound words beginning with post. This is a profession for something. Someone whose job it is to collect and deliver post. We can call him a postman, and these are the answers for these questions. We have to save them and memorize them. The second one, message that is added to the end of the letter, we can call it the postscript. And we have here the third one, the study done after a university degree, which is a postgraduate. And the fourth one, a medical examination of body to find the cause of death. We can call it the post-mortem. The post-mortem, this is the examination for the cause of death. Now I have to move on. We took the spelling sounds, Y sounds. It has two ways to pronounce it, the short one and the long one. The short one, which is E, and the long one, which is A. So in some words, Y has the short of E, as in hill. Water was hard to get oxygen, the word oxygen. And we have father's voice was very sympathetic. Also, we have short one. So in some words, Y sounds has A, as in high. So now that the hydroponic gardens were going, hydro, high, okay? So the casual bystanders milling around my father, bystanders also. So I'm going to show you the answers here. The hydrogen, nylon, we have style, and the last one we can call it rhythm. All of them long except the last one, which is the shortest one. Then I have to move on. Match each word in the boxes to correct definitions. The sample, patent, gymnasium, the lyrics. Please, this is a very important question. You can save it and summarize it for the exam. I'm going to show you the answers. Number one is lyrics, the second one is patent, and the third symbol, and the fourth is gymnasium. You have to know their definitions and save them for sake of exam. Next, I have to move on for the language development, informal styles and fiction. Okay, this language we can use it in informal language. Okay, informal language, conversation speakers, we can say, you feeling groggy? Or you can shorten it, we can say, feeling groggy. In case of someone who is very close to you, in very, very informal language, we can say only groggy. This is the idea. If you want to use the conjunction starting by the conjunction at the beginning of the sentence, you can say, but it will be get together. This is also, you can use it in fiction only. In case if you want to use the defined words as the pacific, okay, we can call it or use it alone without using the verbs with this sentence. And also the exclamations do not need to contain a main clause. Example of it, a word that was 7/10 water. At the end of the class, we took the prefixes for the trans. So the word, it must be started by trans. The prefix trans comes from the Greeks, means across. So the trans word means across. For example, at the space station, they transfer to an Earth ferry. Also, we have here the transatlantic, which means a flight in one. Flight is one, which flies across the Atlantic Ocean. All the plane cross all of the Atlantic Ocean. Also, we have another examples here for the word trans, like transport and transparent, and this is the summary for the whole class that we took.